Is it getting hotter? Is it suffocating you? Does it feel as if you will stop breathing? It's such a small space, and the lights will go out soon. And then it will be dark. Don't worry. You won't see anything while dying. There'll be a fight going on inside you, which we will lose. Then, everything will be over. It is said that when a person dies, the eyes are open, as if it is waiting to see the last ray of hope. But that hope never comes. But do you know, Rudra? The hope doesn't come from anywhere else. It only comes from within. And life is just like this closed elevator. It keeps on trying to close us from all the sides. But we can hope to break these walls only from ourselves. And if you have the courage to have this hope, then be it life or lift, nothing can confine you ever. Stop being afraid. Every man's fear is hidden in his past. And fear keeps pulling you back into that past. And once you get trapped in your past, then you'll never be able to get out of it. Go beyond your limits. Become limitless. You can do it.
तुझे दिल ने मेरे सांसों ने धोखा दिया, तेरा हुआ यूं इस तरह कि मुझसे हुआ मैं जुदा। संग ले गया तू फिर मेरे जीने की सारी वजह, तेरी खलिश तेरी खला को दिल में यूं दी है जगह। मुझ में ही तू रहे यूं सदा, आदत है तू बुरी या सजा।
Only you must have the right to limit yourself, not anyone else. It doesn't matter if it's a memory, or a pain, or even love. It could be even hate. The day you'll understand this, you'll be free from all the bonds.